Hey everyone, welcome to problem number 17, letter combination of phone number. Okay, so given a string containing digits from 2 to 9 inclusive, return all possible letter combinations that the number could represent. Return the answer in any order. Okay, a mapping of the digits to letters, just like the telephone numbers is given below. Note that one does not map to any letters. So anyway, they have said it's from 2 to 9 inclusive, so that should be there. Digits goes so say digits are 2 and 3, so 23. Then each of these digits gonna map to one another. Okay. Similarly, if no digits, then we would return empty, and if there are only if there is only one digit inside digit strings, then we would just return that. What are the constraints? So digits dot length could go from 0 to 4, and each digit is in between 2 to 9. Okay. As we mentioned it in earlier videos, that if something like this is given, just best way to start building up the dictionary, so that there is a mapping between the digits and the actual letters. So we can just do help predict, and we'll start building it. So 2 is ABC, 3 would be DEF, 4 would be GHI, 5 would be JKL, 6 would be MNO, K, 7 would be PQR and S, 8 would be TUV, and 9 would be W, X, Y, and Z. Okay, so what's the idea behind it? So say you have 2 and 3. What are the digit it has? So it has A, B, and C, and then 3 would have D, E, and F. Okay, so each of these, well, there is something called a zip function that kind of just matches one of each. So also there is a combinations in iter tools as well, but we certainly don't want to implement that. It's something that we don't want anyway. So if that's the case, then we want AD, AE, AF, BD, BE, BF, CD, CE, and CF, right? Something like this, right? So what if we have like the first set, and then just like a simple for loop to basically add in the character of the second list to the first. So it would be A, D, and then B and D, and C and D. Similarly, E and A, B and E, and C and E, similar to that. Okay. And we can get the mappings from the dictionary itself. So what we can do is have result equals set of helper digits of 0. So we'll have like the first one, first ABC. Oops, I think it would have something like this, right? A, B, and C. Oops. And then what we can do for character in digits of 1 to everything, then we can do for value in digits. I think for value, so this is char, so for value in digits of char, and before that, what we can do is have another for loop for this one. So for maybe for value in result, so whatever the value is inside the result. For C in digits, what we could do is we can have like a temporary set here, temp dot add val plus C, and then it kind of keeps on appending, and at the end what we can do is result equals temp. Why did we do that? Because if we kind of keep on making changes to the set, Python kind of gives you an error of the set being changed dynamically, something like that. So it's better practice to just have a temporary set and then make whatever the changes you want to make and then assign it to the actual result. So that's pretty much it, and then we would just return the list of result. Okay, let's see. Oops. So far it's, oops, I think it has to be helper, my bad. And string index out of 0, yeah, we gotta handle the base condition as well. So if not digits, we'll return the empty. Okay, there you go, and we can just submit this. Perfect. And that was a quick one. Alright, thank you so very much for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Cheers.